Chuck roast that tastes like ribeye. I made this the other day and it came out so delicious I wanted to share it. Start by rinsing your chuck roast and apply a base seasoning of adobo or salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm adding some pepper and some oregano. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of garlic paste. This is my new favorite soy sauce. I bought this at the Thai Asian market and it's sweeter and less salty than the one you would buy in the supermarket, and it's also a little thicker, so great for a marinade. Sprinkle a little sugar to taste. This balances the salty and sweet flavors. Now sprinkle over a half of a lemon. This adds to the flavor and also acts as a tenderizer. Turn the meat over and season it the same on the other side with adobo, black pepper, oregano, lemon, soy sauce, and a little sugar. Oops, and don't forget the garlic. I used a tablespoon on each side. I would add a little extra soy sauce to make more of a marinade for drizzling later. I forgot to mention this is 2.5 pounds of chuck roast, and I'm going to put it in the Instapot. I added a little olive oil in my Instapot. I'm going to saute it on each side for a couple of minutes. I'm also going to make a cup of beef broth to use later. You see the marinade left on the plate? Don't discard that because we'll use that later. I seared the chuck roast about 3 minutes on each side, and I'm adding a cup of broth because the Instapot requires you to use 1 cup of liquid or broth every time you pressure cook. I'm setting my Instapot for 50 minutes, which is 20 minutes for each pound. After the meat was cooked, I took it out and I added some veggies and cooked it for 5 minutes, but that was too long. I would say maybe 3 minutes. Look at this meat. It was a chuck roast, but it tastes like a ribeye. Heat the marinade in the microwave for about a minute or so and drizzle it over the steak. It'll be such a delicious glaze. I was slow to get an Instapot, but I have to say I'm impressed. I wish you could taste this. This came out incredible. The marbling and flavor was like a ribeye at a fraction of the cost. I paired it with some raw carrots drizzled with olive oil and salt, and it was delicious. Oh, and I can't forget the rice. The marinade goes so well with rice. And the little bit of leftovers that I did have, I made an amazing, incredible sandwich with just white bread and mayonnaise. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.